Hello again. Well, as you can see, I've assembled everything back again. I have repaired two wires on this side, a wire on that side. I've replaced the rear windscreen wiper motor. I've tested it all, I've put it all back together again, assembled it all up, and I've still got one more job to do on this car, if you come round here. I've taken the screen, the dash screen panel off, and to get that out, it's got poppers, so you grip and you give it a sharp pull. And I've taken the Blue and Me unit out for the simple reason that there's still a fault within the car, and my ECU computer is telling me that it's the Blue and Me that's at fault because there's no communication with the car, and it's put the mileometer on flashing. Come and have a look at the flashing mileometer. There it is. Ignition off, ignition on, and now it's flashing. So to get that off, I've sent this ECU away to see if it's the fault and if it can be repaired, because a new one is around £300 plus the VAT, and I certainly don't want the customer to actually have to spend that type of money on maybe something that's faulty, or maybe there's another fault somewhere else in the car, but I can't test that deep, so I've sent the unit away. And we'll have to have another shot when I've got everything back together again and it's all working. Speak to you later.